Good morning all. Today I'm going to be transplanting some cosmos. They're getting quite tall now, and basically I'm going to be transplanting them into these 9cm pots, and these are going to go to some friends and relatives, so hence why I'm transplanting them rather than putting them into the ground. I tend to transplant most things anyway. So I've just got a couple more to do on here, and then we'll get started. So I've got 15 now potted up here. What I'm going to do next, where did I put it? I'm going to use my dibber. I'm just going to put a hole in the middle of every one. Don't know if you can see that. You could do this with your finger, but I've decided to do that. Okay, right, so this part I need to take gloves off because I need to be able to feel what I'm doing. So gloves come off. These are the cosmos. And can you see how I've got those spread out for easy transplanting? That's why I've done them. So we're going to use the label, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut away around the plants, and then I'm going to pull it out and plonk it into these here. And there you are, folks. It's as easy as that. Done. You must remember to give these a real good watering, and then keep watering them, because they're going to be suffering a bit. Now I've got two here which are close together, so not sure how they're going to come apart. Just going to prise them apart. Put these down here. Just try and make sure you cover the roots over, because it could cause a few issues if the roots are above ground, and that could cause a bit of dryness, and that or it could they could maybe be susceptible to some airborne infection or whatever. So best to keep them covered, because that's obviously the most delicate part of the plant, is the roots. Just look, folks, that is as easy as that. Obviously what I'm doing is trying to put them in at the back first, because if I put them all in the front, then I'm going to maybe knock them or break them or whatever. These are nice, they've got lovely roots on, the nice healthy plants these are. Oh, it's nice to be back out here, folks, doing a bit of transplanting. It's still at quite early in the morning, 9:15ish, but it's going to be hot, so it'll be too hot to do this in here later. So what I will do, once these have been transplanted and that, what I'm going to do is make sure I water them for about a week or so, and you know, we'll be able to see that they're all healthy, maybe just a bit over a week. And once I know that they're growing nicely and the roots have all settled in, then I'll be able to pass these on to the friends and relatives who want them. While I'm doing this, just want to thank you all for the ones of you who have been joining in on the live chats each evening. Seem to be very popular. We've got a nice little community going, and you know, we don't just chat about gardening, we chat about different things, you know. It could be nature, it could be cookery, all sorts of things really. Stuff what's relating to the channel, or I mean, we did have a little natter about the royal wedding the other day. That's right, I've got a spider in front of me eyes. So yeah, usually around 20 to 30 join in. So Sean joins us sometimes, that's nice. And we'll just have to develop it a bit more over time. You know, I'm new to this really. I can't remember when I started, but it's still all a learning process, and we're having a few technical difficulties with the webcam setup on with YouTube. I cannot get it to pick up the webcam, but it works in other programs. So, and I've tried 3 different ones, so not sure what's going on there. It works. Works fine with the tablet, but not with the computers. So I think it's probably something to do with Google Chrome. So that's it, that's first 15 done, and I think I need I think I probably need about 60, so I've got 15. It might have a quick count, folks, because I want some for myself. It's alright. There'll be probably about 10 left for myself, which is more than enough, so that's good. So I'm going to leave this now for this Cosmos video, and I'm going to get on with something else. Thanks for watching.